Hello from Trincomalee, Sri Lanka. As you can see, this is a very different hotel than what we usually stay at. And the reason for that is both of us have actually been feeling a little bit ill today, so we decided to treat ourselves to a nice hotel, somewhere we could just chill and relax for the whole day and try and recover so that we're better tomorrow. We thought that Amarante Bay here in Trinco would be the perfect place for that. So let me show you the room. Over here we have our little coffee set with different teas, coffees, mini fridge, and a wardrobe with a safe in here. Up here then is our little sitting room area, and this TV can also turn around if we'd like it to. Over here then, we've got maybe the star of the show, which is this lovely hot tub jacuzzi. So we're going to give that a try out later, and we think that could be really nice and relaxing and just be the cherry on top to help us feel better. And then if you follow me this way, we come to the bathroom, which is just a lovely, nice big bathroom. You just have your toilet, your shower, and your sink, but they have given us a lovely shampoo and conditioner, which as backpackers, we're very happy to see always. And back this way. Didn't show you our balcony earlier with our pool view and view of the water, but now it's time for the main event, the bed test. Oh my God, it's so soft, so comfortable, and a lovely big bed.
Let's go to the pool.
Oh no. Refreshing means cold. Chilling by the pool was just so nice. It was a perfect temperature. The water was nice and cold, but that was like the first time we felt cold basically since arriving in Sri Lanka. And it was really quiet, just us and one other couple as well. So we got to just read. I'm starting a new book, and I'm loving Emily Henry for like just these pool days and lounge days. They're just really nice, easy books. So loved our time there.
Now that we feel better, it's time for dinner.
Yeah, so we're gonna walk. There's like a beach club area very close by, so we're gonna walk there and get some food.
Let's see what they offer.
Yeah, let's go.
So we're back from dinner, and we had dinner at the place called Abrazo Tacos and Burritos. It was a very nice gluten-free place, and they provided us with gluten-free
like wraps. Like fajitas.
Yeah. And it was amazing. We had a really good time. Just the atmosphere was amazing there, and yeah, we really liked it there. It's close to the beach.
Yes, they have a few restaurants there that and bars and stuff that it's just a communal area where you eat or drink, and you can just order from whichever bar or restaurant you want. It's a really cool vibe, and the vibe is just like starting. I feel like the night was just starting there. I think it would be really cool later.
For sure.
But we came back. We're gonna run ourselves a jacuzzi bath now and just try and fully recover.
Yeah, we need to make the most out of this beautiful room that we have here. So.
Also, yeah, it's more expensive than usual, so we want to make the most of it. So we want to use it as much as we can today. So let's get fit in the bath.
Morning from Trinco, Sri Lanka.
So we are on our way to the beach bar to get some late breakfast. It is definitely the hottest day since we've been here, so it's really, really warm, but I can't wait to get some food.
That's really nice. Wow, this looks amazing. Exactly what I needed.
Nice and cold.
We had our breakfast and now we're walking back to the hotel. But look at this amazing views. It's a perfect day for a beach day. It's about 32 degrees, 32, 33, and it's just amazing. And the water is so clear, so blue. And yeah, we definitely have to call it a beach day.
Definitely.
We spent a while at the beach, but we realized we don't have a room for tonight actually. So we're just strolling around and looking for a room. And before we make our final decisions, because we saw plenty of available hotels, we'll have lunch and then I guess we can make the decision.
Yeah, we gotta have a bit of food before we can make any decisions.
Yeah.
So let's go. We found this nice restaurant and hopefully it has some good food.
Hello.
So I got the deviled vegetable with steamed rice, which is a Sri Lankan dish, right? I think it's traditional.
Yeah.
Let's try it. That's really tasty.
So is it possible to have the room with the air conditioner for 3.5?
Yeah. You want today?
Yeah, we'll take it today.
Yeah.
Okay.
For 3,500?
Yeah, without AC.
That's the one without AC.
Yeah, okay.
Ah.
Okay.
We will take it for 1 night
Okay.
and then see maybe 2 nights. Maybe.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's see if it's too hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what we decided to book. This hotel was only €10 a night. Very different to our hotel last night, but let's give you a tour. We do have a desk and a chair.
I have a chair, I have a chair.
A little storage rack for our luggage. Over here, we have towels. We have 2 beds, single and a double. A mirror. And a pretty big bathroom. No AC in this room, but we do have the fan, so we're just staying here for 1 night. We're going to see if the fan keeps us cool enough. Let's do a bed test. Oh. It's firm, but I actually think it could be comfortable. So we're at another beach bar and we've got ourselves little mojitos and a random corn salad because we're trying to get our vegetables in to help us recover from feeling a bit poorly. It's a Saturday night here and we thought it would actually be a lot busier here than it is, but we went to 2 different kind of beach bar areas and they're both pretty quiet.
But maybe also we were a bit too early because it's not even 9 o'clock. I guess we're also too old for.
Yeah, maybe this is like everyone's just getting ready and we're like ready for bed.
Yeah.
This is quite late for us.
They're getting ready and we're at our peak, like let's have the drinks and then go home and
Let's
see.
have our salad.
And they just
Let's go out for a salad while they're just getting ready for the
Yeah.
night. Yeah, but that suits us well actually because we're going to get an early night anyway because we have a bright and early start tomorrow for something really exciting. So yeah, watch tomorrow's video.
See you tomorrow.